Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you how to multiply two columns together in Notion using a really simple formula property. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take existing data, like prices and multipliers, and create an automatic calculation right inside your Notion database. This is super useful for anything from tracking sales to budgeting projects or even inventory management. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at the setup. Imagine you've got a Notion database with two columns, one for price and one labeled multiplier. Maybe you're tracking products where price is the cost per item and multiplier is the number of items sold, or perhaps you're working out totals for a project quote. Regardless, the technique is the same. Make sure your columns are set up already. If not, go ahead and create them. If you're new to Notion databases, just think of columns as properties, each one holding a different piece of data for your items. Now, the magic happens when we add a formula property. To do this, look for the plus button, usually at the end of your list of columns. Click on it, and from the menu, select Formula. This is going to be our calculator, where Notion does automatic math. Give your new property a name, something clear like total or revenue, so it's easy to spot later on. Next, let's write the actual formula. In the formula field, type price multiplier. Make sure you use the exact property names and match what you have in your database. Notion is case sensitive, so price and price could be different properties. What we're telling Notion here is for each row, take the value from price, multiply it by whatever is in multiplier, and show the result. This little formula is incredibly powerful. Think of it as a digital calculator working for you every time you update a value. Once you've entered your formula, click Done. Take a deep breath here. Your database will almost instantly update, and you should see results populating for each row. If you don't see numbers, double-check your property names, or make sure your price and multiplier columns are using the correct data types. Numeric properties work best, so if one is text, you might need to adjust it. Don't worry, it's a common hiccup. Notion will even prompt you with an error if something doesn't add up. This formula property will now calculate totals automatically every time you change the price or multiplier for an item. Think of how much time this saves. You're letting Notion do the math so you can focus on your tasks. Whether you're managing invoices, tracking team hours, or estimating costs, formulas like these transform Notion from a simple notebook into a mighty database tool. And that's really all there is to it. Multiplying two columns in Notion takes just a few clicks, but opens up a world of potential for your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more advanced formulas, just drop a comment below. I always check and reply to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.